Hello, love. I'm Sarah Sparks, your Chief Soul Strategist. I help leaders align the soul of their business with the business of their soul so they can create wealth, clarity, and impact without burnout. If you are here to lead from wholeness, not pressure, you're in the right space. Let's dive in. Last week, we talked about how January's month and its theme is to stop negotiating with yourself. Today, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. Why does negotiation feel safer than a decision? So you're negotiating with yourself. Should I get up here? Should I eat this? Should I charge this price? Your negotiation. You're negotiating with yourself. So negotiation feels safer than decision because it avoids responsibility. If you never fully decide, you never fully risk. If you never fully decide to lose the weight, to change the career, to get married, to get divorced, you never fully risk. But here's the cost. Your system stays in limbo. January does not support limbo. The whole month, the whole year of 2026 is a year of no more split energy. And if you are split, you're in that limbo state. January it doesn't support it. It supports clean lines, clean decisions. Decision calms the nervous system. Negotiations, it exhausts it. So this is the part where most people, they miss it entirely. Life doesn't fall apart to punish you. It mirrors the fracture already happening inside. It could be something wonderful, like receiving with ease. But there's a split within you. There's a fracture within you that says, no, I must work hard. I must suffer. And then that split happens. Something starts falling apart, not to punish you, but to mirror back and say, hey, I'm right here. Fix me, meld me, heal this fracture. It could be the result of missed opportunities, stalled momentum, chronic indecision. These aren't problems, they're feedback. The system, your nervous system, your body is asking, can I trust you to lead? So rebuilding self-trust is not about big promises to yourself. It's about follow through. Saying no and meaning it, saying yes and meaning it, choosing rest and honoring it, making one clear decision and stand by it. Trust is rebuilt through consistency, not intensity. Trust is rebuilt through consistency, not intensity. Now, before you say yes, pause and ask yourself, will I respect myself after this? If you have made the decision to release the weight and your body has been telling you no more sugar, and you are like, but I really want that chocolate. Ask yourself, will I respect myself after this? Because you're telling your body, you know what? I respect you. I respect the decision that we made. And I'm going to honor it. If the answer is no, don't negotiate. That single pause changes everything. January is where self-trust becomes embodied, not postponed another year. So stop negotiating. Start leading yourself, not waiting for someone else to lead you. Next week, we'll talk about what happens when integrity becomes your default. If today's message spoke to you, you can find more ways to work with me as your chief soul strategist at sarahsparks.love. And remember, when you're aligned with your soul, wealth and clarity become inevitable. I will see you on the next one.